So what's the hike we are going on today?
We are starting from Stone Dragon, Shek Lung.
Stone Dragon, okay.
Yeah. And we will go to the Tai Lam Chong.
Tai Lam Chung, okay. I'm hiking after I don't know when.
It's a, yeah, it's a 5-6 kilometer.
Okay. Unbelievable. Or that's called practice.
Yeah, very good.
Khanza, practice. Then you get the graffiti. Hiking after a long time. I'm tie-dye fish. There. So this is water catchment, right, brother? See, you catch the water here. He's holding the dam. From there to here. Now in parallel with the bridge. Got my gloves, but I didn't. So bushwhacking ongoing. Wow. Some sweet berries. Really cool. Manga.
We make movies, they think we have to invent them.
Yes, well, we are, huh? We are literally bushwhacking. Continues. Show the path. Exhausted. Down to the top because you can see the parallels.
Ready for flight.
She's on top of the waterfall there. That's lunch spot. So much vitamin D. I have not had it in last, what, 6 months? Today, more. On the top. Good job. They cut the grass using the grass cutter. You make the hikes for people like us, strong men there. And that's how you make all these paths, is you use the grass cutter. Yeah, you climb it up. Wow. This guy. Bye-bye. Thank you. So beautiful. To go back. We came all the way from down there, all the way up there, and then we went there, and now breathtaking. Hong Kong's beautiful. More and more altitude. Tired. Oh my god. Wow. It is literally in the cave of the jungle.
Tree cave.
Tree cave.
Not mountain cave.
Exactly. Oh, welcome to civilization. Ah. Wow. See, endless bush. When you restart is what happens when you're not fully prepared. Hong Kong Island, Singma Bridge, Lanta, and here is the Statue of Pakistan. Buddy boy! Woohoo! Ah! The highest peak in Hong Kong, over 1 kilometer, Thai Ocean, Chingy. Wow, amazing.